Hello again, and welcome back. In the last video, we set up our development environment for Python. In this video, we're going to be writing our very first Python script, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is open up PyCharm. And in PyCharm, we're going to be greeted by this Welcome to PyCharm screen. So we're going to hit New Project in here, and we'll just stick with the default name of Python Project for now. And we're going to be creating our environment with Conda, which is that mini forge we installed in the last video. And our Python version is going to be 3.10. Otherwise, this wouldn't be the ultimate no-nonsense guide to Python 3.10. Next, we're going to uncheck the box that says create a main.py welcome script. That is something that PyCharm feeds you every time you create a script with this box checked, and we don't want that. So we're going to go ahead and hit create. PyCharm is going to run its magic and create a project environment for us. And I'm just going to drag this browser to the left so it's not taking up so much screen. And in our Python project folder right here, I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to select new Python file. And we're going to name this main, but you can really name it whatever you want. Best practice is to always name the main script of your Python project main. Python file is going to be our file type. And we're going to hit enter. And we will be greeted with a new line to write in. And our first script is going to be just printing some text to the console. How do we do that, you might ask? Great question, I respond. That's actually quite simple. It's going to be the print, P-R-I-N-T, and in apostrophes, hello world, exclamation point. We're going to save our script, save all, and we're going to right click on this file here, our main.py file, or whatever you named it as, and we're going to run it. And look at that, there it is. Hello world. Congratulations on writing your very first Python script. What else can we do with this? What else can we print to the screen? Well, the sky's the limit almost. We can print 1. There you go. We've got 1. We could print 100. We're going to run it. There you go, 100. Well, what about some ridiculous number, like if we hold down the 9 key for 20 years here, we save it, and we run it again. And there it is. But why did I use those apostrophes earlier? Why can't I just put in hello world like that? What are these red squigglies? Well, let's try running and find out. Invalid syntax. What does that mean? That means that this print function here expects any text to be in quotation marks. That's because when you print characters to the screen like this, they are what is called a string, and you are printing that string of characters to the screen. And I will be going over what a string is in my next video, so stay tuned for that.